Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by choosing Ubuntu 22, 04 or 20, 04 LTS on a 64-bit system. Ensure the machine has at least 2 GB RAM and reliable internet. Update package lists using sudo apt update before installing prerequisites. Install CA certificates, curl, GNU-PG, and LSB release with apt for secure repositories. Create the apt keyring directory and add Docker's official GPG key for verification. Add the Docker repository using your distribution codename to enable stable Docker engine packages. Install Docker packages by running sudo apt update, then sudo apt install dockerc containered. EO. Confirm the installed Docker version after installation and check for Docker Engine 24, 0 or later when available. Enable and start Docker with sudo systemctl, enable now Docker to run at boot. Verify operation using docker run rm hello world to pull and run a test image. For convenience, add your user to the Docker group so you can run Docker commands without sudo. Pull images explicitly by tag, for example docker pull Ubuntu 22, 04 to get that base image. Run containers interactively with docker run it Ubuntu 22, 04 bash to open a shell inside the container. Launch services detached with docker run dp 8080, 80 engine x to map host port 8080 to container port 80. Use docker ps and docker logs, container id to list, and inspect running containers quickly. Clean unused images and resources with Docker Image Prune and Docker System Prune to reclaim disk space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.